and 1-800-895-4584. The protocol for placing phone calls is in your participant packet, and we want you to feel comfortable calling in with questions or comments about becoming a model court or emulating some of the model court practices that we're talking about today. Once you get people involved individually in your system, you have found that the community as a whole responded, correct?
Very much so, because as we involve people in the court process and in the model court initiatives, the advisory committee, they came through with other initiatives and other planning strategies. But it had an after effect in that more people were interested in becoming foster or adoptive families, in becoming CASAs, in becoming involved in the therapeutic process of the case. And so that as we became known for our successes, individuals in the community were very interested in supporting the effort in whatever way possible. We involve school teachers quite a bit in our cases, and so we've come to a clear understanding of what our kids' educational needs are. And as a result, we have had a grant for our community, for our foster kids, that's implemented by Advocacy Incorporated, that represents children with disabilities. And this attorney that you saw in the film, Linda, represents children in court or in special education meetings at the schools, in ARDs, or in Medicaid appeals, so that our special needs kids have an extra layer of legal advocacy in their mission to have excellence while they're in protective custody.
So many layers to your program, and we have a...
Can I jump in? Oh, you have a call?
Oh, we do have a call, but we hold that thought.
Just to, that unfolded into even more advocacy on behalf of the children with your Children's Justice Project.
Yes.
That came about with pro bono representation of kids in the court that may not have happened without the community level excitement around the project.
I would like to talk more about that pro bono involvement in a moment, too. We do have a call from Wyoming. Thank you for waiting. Please go ahead with your question or your comment.
I have a twofold question. I was wondering, for a foster family to be an assessment home, is there special qualifications or assessment tools that you use to qualify them as that?
Yes. You want to go ahead and answer?
Yes. Our assessment foster homes go through a special 40-hour training in addition to the regular foster certification. And in that training, they're trained to do observation of the children as they come in, to document that observation, to meet with the therapeutic professionals that are assessing the children. In fact, the children are assessed in the assessment foster home so they can have a more natural environment. And then the assessment foster parents are team members in making recommendations for the child's case plan. So they have a very special role, an extra nurturing role while the kids are in the assessment